So you say you created an ad, okay? You created an ad on your main Facebook account. The ad was disapproved due to privacy, and then you submitted for review, you got approved. And you create okay, then what? Then you see an ad got restricted. Apparently, it should be a new ad account. That's why you have some issue with that. And then you created a new ad account. And then, okay, you got 2 account restricted, apparently. You got 2 account restricted, apparently. And okay. Right, okay, now you're saying that you are not able to actually click the button to confirm your identity. So I think it's the same thing. I would say first thing, you can actually wait for a little while, wait for a few days to see whether this button will become available. And when it's available, then try to submit something in English, okay? So that's what we learned from some of the previous question earlier. But the question really that you're trying to ask here is, can you get your fund back? Now, in this case, apparently you're using a personal ad account, which the payment method that you're using is you are using the prepaid payment method, which means you submit your money in there, then you spend from there. Now, based on what I understand, now this is a disclaimer over here because I've not been using a personal ad account for a long time, and I don't prefer to use this kind of prepaid payment method, which the last time I used it was probably about 5-6 years ago. But based on what I understand among my students, the money you put in, you won't be able to take it out. I don't think so. So I think in order to, because you have money in there, all you need to do is really you try to get your account back. So here's another side note over here. If you run ads on Facebook, what I'm actually trying to advocate here is let's try not to do something funny, because it's your ad account, you got to protect it, right? And Facebook is only getting stricter and stricter when it comes to all these implementation policy and all these things, because they want to make sure that the ads appearing on Facebook platform and Instagram platform are, relevant, and they want to make sure that the advertisers are being vetted or verified. So let's try to play by the rules, okay?